This is my problem. Number 34. Which is y double prime minus 2y prime plus y is equal to x e to the power of x minus e to the power of x. And then first is to find yc. In finding yc, first you must find the m, which is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Then this will be m minus 1 square is equal to 0. Then, or we can rewrite that as m minus 1 times m minus 1 equals 0. And then m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 1. Since m1 and m2 is equal, we're going to use case 2. Then this is the case 2. yc equals c1 e to the power of x m plus c2 x e to the power of x m. Since m is equal to 1, then we're going to just plug it. Yc is equal to c1 e x since 1 plus c2 x e to the x. So our yc is this. This is our yc. Since this is our yc, then we're going to find the yp, which is the yp which is u1 y sub 1 plus u sub 2 y sub 2. That's the formula for yp. Then we will find this variables, what's their value. Then first we're going to solve y1. We're going to find y1 and y2, since yc is just c1 e to the x plus c2 x x. Then when c1 is equal to 0, c2 is equal to 1, y sub 1 will be 0 times e to the x plus 1 x ex, which is y1 is equal to, this one is equal to 0, and this one is just equal to x e x. Then this is our y1, y sub 1. We're going to find the y sub 2. Then y sub 2. Then when c1 is equal to 1 and c2 is equal to 0, y sub 2 will be one times e to the x plus 0 x e x. Then y sub 2 is equal to e to the x plus, this is equal to 0, so our y sub 2 is this one. Then using Wronskian, we're going to find the u sub 1 and u sub 2.
Okay na nila ni Mohammad.
And then we're going to find the u sub 1 and u sub 2. U sub 1 is just equal to integration of u sub 1 prime, and u sub 2 is also just equal to u sub 2 prime. U sub 1 prime is equal to w sub 1 over w, and u sub 2 prime is equal to w sub 2 over w. And then we're going to find the w. which is equal to the y sub 1, which is x ex, and the derivative of this, which is x ex plus ex, and then the y sub 2, which is e to the power of x. The derivative of this, e to the power of x, and then this is equal to multiply x to the power of 2x, then minus subtract x e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of 2x. Combine like terms, we get negative e to the power of 2x. We now have the value of w. Then we're going to find the w sub 1, which is equal to 0, and then the f of x, which is x e to the power of x minus e to the power of x, and then the y sub 2, which is e to the power of x, derivative of this, e to the power of x, and then we get 0 times e to the power of x, 0, minus x e to the power of 2x, since negative, plus e to the power of 2x, which is just equal to negative x e to the power of 2x plus e to 2x. Then we have the value of w1. And then the w sub 2, which is y sub 1 x e to the power of x, and derivative x e x e x plus ex, then 0, and the f of x, which is equal to x e x minus e x, which is equal to x square e to the power of 2x minus x e to the power of 2x minus this one is just equal to 0. So our y sub 2 is equal to this. And then just plug it. We will just plug it. Then u sub 1 prime is equal to our to w sub 1 over w, which is equal to our w sub 1 is just equal to negative x e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of 2x over our w, which is negative e to x. So we'll get x minus 1, our u sub 1. And then our u sub 2 prime is equal to u 1. Then it's just equal to x square e to the 2x to the 2x minus x e to the power of 2x over negative e to the power of 2x. Then this is just equal to negative x square plus x and then u sub 1 is equal to u sub 1 prime, which is x minus 1 dx. Then equation x 1 plus 1 2 over 2, then minus x, this is u1. That's the u1. And then the u sub 2 equal to u sub 2 prime, which is we're going to plug it. This is integration of negative x square plus x dx. So this will be negative x 3 over 3 plus x square over 2. So our usual not 1. Since we already have the values of u sub 1, u sub 2, y sub 1, and y sub 2, then yp is equal to u sub 1, y sub 1 plus u sub 2, y sub 2. Then just plug the values, which is x squared over 2 minus x times x e to the power of x plus negative x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 times e to the power of x. Then this will be x cubed e to the power of 2x over 2 minus x squared ex minus ex x3 over 3 plus e to the power of x squared over 2, which will be our yp will be 1 over 6 x cubed e to the power of 2x minus 1/2 x squared e. That will be our yp. Then y is our y is yc plus yp, which will be c1 ex plus c squared x ex plus 1 over 6 x cubed e to the power of 2x minus 1/2 x squared ex. Then it will be our y. It will be our y. This is my question number 5, which is y double prime plus y equals cosine x plus 3 sine 2x Then first, since we're going to find the yc, then we must first find the m, which is m squared plus 1 is equal to 0, and m squared is equal to -1, which will be m is positive minus square root of -1, which is equal to positive minus I, our m. That is our m. Since our m is a complex root, then we will use the case 3. Our alpha will be equal to 0, and the beta is equal to, this is like 1 1. Then our YC, this is the formula for YC case 3, alpha x c sub 1 cosine bx plus c2 sine bx. Then substitute. Since alpha is 0, then this will be 0, the exponent will be 0, then understood, this is just equal to 1. Then just copy this, c sub 1 cosine b is just equal to 1, so x plus c square sine x. So our YC will be this one. Since we already found the YC, then we will going to find the YP, which first we will be using undetermined coefficient. So our Y1 is equals to AX cosine x plus bx sine x, and y sub 2 is equal to say sine 2x plus d cosine 2x. Then our YP is equal to y sub 1 plus y sub 2. Then first we will going to find the y1, y sub 1, which is equal to ax cosine x plus bx sine x. Then the derivative of y sub 1, which is negative ax sine x plus a cosine x plus bx cosine x plus b sine x. Then the derivative of this, which is y sub 1 full prime equal to negative ax cosine x minus a sine x minus a sine x minus bx sine x plus b cos x plus b cos sine x. Combine like terms, we will get negative ax cosine x minus 2a sine x minus bx sine x plus 2b cosine x. this will be our y sub 1 double prime. Then apply substitution. So negative a x cosine x minus 2a sine x minus bx sine x plus 2b cosine x plus ax cosine x plus b x sine x equals cosine x plus 3 sine 2x. Then combine like terms, then cancel this one and this, negative x and this one, so we get negative 2 a sine x plus 2 b cos x equals cos x. So 2b cosine x is equal to cosine x, which is b cancel, so 2b equals 1, then b is equal to 1/2, and negative 2a sine x 2a equals 0 since there is no sign, so we get a equals 0. Then so our y1 sub 1 is 1/2 x sine x. Since a equals 0, then there's this is the y1. Then for y sub 2 is equal to say sine 2x plus d cosine 2x, then derivative, which is 2c cosine 2x minus 2d sine 2x, that one. Then the y sub 2 double prime will be negative 4c sine 2x minus 4d cosine 2x. Then apply substitution, we get negative 4 c sine 2x minus 4 d cosine 2x plus c sine 2x plus d cosine 2x equals 3 sine 2x. So negative 3 c sine 2x is equal to 3 sine 2x. So c equals negative 1, and the rest is just equal to 0. So our y sub 2 is negative sine 2x. Then our yp is equal to y1 plus y2, which is 1/2 x sine x minus sine 2x. So our yp is this. This is our yp. And then for our y is equal to yc plus yp. Since we have yc and yp, so just substitute it. So our yc is equal to c1 cosine x plus c sub 2 sine x plus 1/2 x sine x minus sine 2x. So our y is this. This is our y. Then this is my problem 29, which is d4 plus 2d3 minus 3d2 minus 4d plus 4y equals e to the power of x. That's my problem. First, we will find the value of d, which is we will use this division method. 1, 2, negative 3, negative 4, and 4. So we will try negative 2. So 1, negative 2, 0, 0, negative 3, 6, then 2, negative 4, which is equal to 0, and then next one is negative 2, I guess. So 1, negative 2, negative 2, 4, 4, and then 1, negative 2, 0. And let's try 1. So 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 0, and then try 1. So 1, 1, 0. So this is it. So d, it is d plus 2 square d minus 1 square equals 0. So our d is equal to 2 d to d1 d1. So our yc is equal to c1 ex c2 x ex plus c3 e relative to x plus c4 x e relative to x. This is the value yc. Next one is we're going to find the yp. So first we will use the undetermined coefficients. So yp is equal to a x square e to the power of x, and then our y is a x square e x. Y sub 1 is equal to 2a x e x plus a x square e to the power of x. Then y double prime is equal to 2a e x plus 2a x e to the power of x plus 2a x e to the power x, then plus a x square e x, and then combine like terms we get 2a e to the power of x plus 4a x e to the power of x plus a x square e x. So this is our y double prime, and then the y triple prime is equal to 2a e to the power of x plus 4a x e to the power of x plus 2a x e to the power of x plus a x square e to the power of x, and then we will combine like terms, so we get x a e x plus 6a x e to the power of x plus a x square e to the power of x. This is our y triple prime, and then the y quadro prime is equal to 6a e to the power of 6a e to the power of x plus 6a e to the power of x plus 6a x e to the power of x plus 2a x e to the power of x plus a x square e to the power of x. Then combine like terms, we get combine like terms, we get 12a ex plus 8a x ex plus a x square ex. So this is our y quadro prime. So we will substitute the values that we get. So this will be 12a e to the power of x plus 8a x e to the power of x plus a x square e to the power of x plus 2 times 6a ex plus 6a x ex plus a x square ex. That one minus 3 times 2a e to the power of x plus 4a x e to the power of x plus a x squared ex minus 4 2 times 2a x e x plus a x square ex plus 4 a x square ex is equal to ex. And then combine like terms, we get x e x plus a x square ex plus 12 a x e x minus 6 a e to the power of x minus 3 a x square is equal to e to the power of x. That one. So 18 a e to the power of x is equal to ex, which is a is equal to ex to the power of 18 ex, which is 1 over 18, and the value of yp will be ax squared e to the power of x, which is 1 over 18 x squared ex. So our y is equal to yc plus yp. So c1 ex plus c2 x ex plus c3 e negative 2x plus c4 x e negative 2x plus the yp, which is 1 over 18 x squared ex. That one. So this will be our y.